So I started mining Bitcoin, and by 2017, my bank started getting shut off. I have been debanked more than 10 times. I have had scenarios where I had $20 million in the bank and could not make a deposit. I had it at Gemini because I mined Bitcoin, but I couldn't transfer the Bitcoin because I didn't have a bank account to transfer from Gemini to an actual convert to cash, right? Now, if you close your bank accounts, do you think the next bank is like, oh, we're so excited to have you. This other bank rejected you. Come join us. I decided right then that effectively I was going to figure out a way to not be unbanked. And it has been hard. I'm not going to lie to you. It's still hard today. But there are so many other people that were debanked. And a guy named Marc Andreessen, who runs Andreessen Horowitz, a big venture capital firm, he said that he supported Trump because of the debanking of his own companies. And thank God for Marc Andreessen, because Marc Andreessen is a Silicon Valley guy who founded Netscape and was on the board of Hewlett Packard. And thank God that Marc Andreessen had the balls to say that enough is enough. If it wasn't for Marc Andreessen, a lot of people in Silicon Valley would not have come to the other side.